Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex Analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other pairs like GBP USD, Gold USD, GBP JPY, USD JPY and many more. So let's get started. So this is the 4-hour chart of Euro USD in front of us right now. Today I will not be going in detail. I'll try to keep my videos short and compact, okay, because I do not want to bore you by repeating the same stuff again and again. So the chart of Euro USD, and as we can see that there is not much movement right now on the chart of Euro USD here. Euro USD is trading in a range here. Okay. So we have 1.1800 as the support for the market right now, and on the top we have got this trend line as a resistance. So you can clearly see that 1.1800 is acting as a support for the market, whereas this trend line is acting as a resistance for the market. So if you do not have these lines on your charting platform, my dear friends, I'll request you to draw these lines so that you can understand the market better, so that you can do proper analysis and take the proper trade. So apart from these two levels, you can see that I have got two more lines here. Okay. So this is the weekly support that I do not want to discuss today because we don't need this today. Weekly support, and we have got 1.1900 as a strong resistance at the top. Okay, so right now market is trading here, and you can see that we have a support here, but right now, and whenever market is trying to go up, listen to me carefully, whenever market is trying to go up, it is unable to cross the previous high. So this is a matter of concern for us right now, because whenever we get a scenario like this, whenever we get a triangle pattern like this, then there is a good possibility of market breaking the support, because you can see that market is unable to cross the previous highs. So slowly the sellers are trying to dominate the market. Yes, buyers are also present at the support level, but at one point of time they usually surrender. So market is trading in a narrow range here, so be careful. And if you look at the DXY, the US dollar chart here, and as we all know, DXY, US dollar is the king of all charts. It has got huge impact on the Forex market and correlation with the Euro USD, because when dollar goes up, Euro USD goes down, and when dollar goes down, Euro USD goes up. And you can see that US dollar after this huge fall is in a narrow range, not very range, in the trading in a range here. It is a sideways market, and apart from this support right now, it has a temporary support at this level around 0.9240. At this level it has a temporary support. So it is standing at support right now. You can clearly see that it is standing at support. This is a support zone. So in case it starts going up from here, then definitely there will be selling on the Euro USD. Okay. And in case there is a fall on US dollar, if it starts going down, then Euro USD will be going up. Okay, so keep your eyes on the DXY chart as well, because if there is any sudden buying or selling on the chart of US dollar, then definitely you will see the impact on the Euro USD as well. So what should be a strategy for Euro USD then? So until and unless Euro USD is trading in this range here, okay, listen to me carefully, until and unless Euro USD is trading in this particular range here, then you should not expect huge profit from the market, because it is trading in a very narrow range here. So if market goes up from here and reverses from the trend line, if market goes up from here and reverses from the trend line, then you can short the market. Max to max your profit will be this level. Okay, so you can hardly expect a profit of 10 to 15 pips, not 15 pips, max to max 10 pips. And on the other hand, when market is taking support at this level 1.1800, and if it tries to bounce from here, you can go for a buy here. Then again you can expect a profit of max to max 10 pips. So as long as Euro USD is trading in this inside this triangle, you can max to max expect a profit of 10 pips. So it is better to avoid Euro USD as long as trading in this range here, because hardly you are getting a profit of 10 pips, so which is not worth. So what you can do is that you can wait for the perfect opportunity, and In this type of scenario, the Pro Trader membership comes into program. When you are confused, when you are looking for opportunity on a forex market, so in the Pro Trader program, I share the best trading opportunities on the market with you. So if you're interested, just go to the website abhilashhazarika.com. Under the Pro Traders section, you'll get all the necessary information. So what you can do is that on Euro USD, okay, let the market cross either this level on the upside or this level on the downside. Then only you can go for a proper trade here. In case there is a breakout on towards the upside, then definitely USD will be going down. Okay, so have a confirmation from the chart of the USD as well. And in case there is a sudden selling pressure or Euro USD breaks the support level, then also get the confirmation from the chart of US dollar whether it is going up or not. So just keep in mind whether market goes up or down. Okay, in case market crosses this level towards the upside, then wait for 4 to 6 hours and just see whether the market is being supported by volume or not. Just see whether the market is trading comfortably above this trend line or not. If you see that after 4 to 6 hours market is trading comfortably, you can then go for a buy. On the other hand, if you see market crossing this resistance, crossing this support, dollar is also doing good, dollar is also going up, still wait for 4 hours and just see how the price is doing and reacting. If you see that price is trading comfortably or selling pressure is still there in the market of Euro USD after 4 to 6 hours, then you'll get the confirmation that yes, selling pressure is imminent, then you can go for shorting the market. So what I'm trying to say is that try to avoid false breakout, because false breakout are very dangerous, and the only way to avoid false breakouts is to wait for the market to give you the confirmation, and you'll only get the confirmation once you see market trading comfortably above the resistance or below the support. So my dear friends, have patience and do not rush. Okay, and if you look at the forex sentiment meter here, you'll find the forex sentiment meter on my website of villashajarika.com under forex 101 section. So in the forex sentiment meter, you can see that 52% retail traders have taken short position and 47% retail traders have taken long position. So retail traders are also confused. They are also not sure in which direction market will move. Therefore, my dear friends, do not jump into the trade right now. If you want to go for 10 tips, 12 tips, then you can trade at the support or resistance. But if you are looking for a big move, then wait for the market to give you a breakout proper signal. Hopefully you've understood. If you have liked the video and found the video informative, give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. Thank you so much. All the best. Take care. See ya tomorrow. Bye bye.